Modern wind turbines depends on one incredible component, the blade. These giant structures capture wind energy and convert it into electricity. But how are these enormous blades actually made? Everything begins with aerodynamic design. Engineers carefully create blade shapes using computer simulations to maximize energy production while reducing weight and stress. Once the design is finalized, massive molds are prepared inside the factory. These molds define the exact shapes and surface finish of the blade. Worker then place layer of fiberglass inside the mold. In critical areas, carbon fiber is added for extra strength and stiffness. Next, the mold is sealed using vacuum bagging film. This prepares the structure for one of the most important stage, resin infusion. After infusion, the blade is cured under controlled temperature until the material becomes solid and extremely durable. Liquid resin is pulled through the fiberglass layer under vacuum pressure. This process bonds the material together and create a strong composite structure. The cured blade shell are then removed from the mold using heavy cranes. Inside the blade, engineers install structure components such as spar, caps, and shear webs. These parts help the blade handle powerful wind forces. The upper and lower blade shells are carefully joined together using industrial adhesive systems. Once assembled, the blade surface is sanded, polished, and coated with protective paints to resist weather, UV radiations, and erosion. Each blade then undergoes strict quality testing, including flex and load tests to ensure safe operations under extreme conditions. Finally, the complete blades is transported using specialized trailers to wind farm sites around the world. These giant plates are among the largest composite structure ever manufactured, a true achievement of modern renewable energy engineering.